So good morning to all of you. In the last class, we were discussing the story, the 3 questions. And based on the portion that we have completed, I gave you a small homework, that is to write and learn the spellings of few words and also to find out the answer for the questions which I sent you in the WhatsApp. I hope you all have done. If yes, give me a thumbs up, all of you. Those who have completed your homework, just give me a thumbs up. Okay.
We should write that down.
You have to write and learn those spellings. How many of you learn the spellings of those words? Show me your books. I don't want to hear any excuses. On Monday, I did a bit of the chapter, and based on the portion that we completed, I gave you homework. You have to write and learn those spellings, and you're supposed to write the answers for the questions. No excuses will be accepted. Yes, very good. Ethan, Payal, Alvina. What about others? Come on, children, show me your books, all of you. Yes, Nia.
I do not have textbook.
Haseeb, then how will you learn for exam? What about others? Show me your book. Hereafter, I'm going to be very, very strict with you. Every day, I'll ask you questions. Every day. Okay, only few. I could see only few have done. Payal, Nia, Alvina, Ethan. What about others?
I have some network issue. What we want to do?
Take out your homework. Have you written the answers to the questions that I send you through WhatsApp? Okay, let me see how many of you have learned. Take out your notebook. I'm going to give you words for dictation. I just want to know whether you have learned the spellings. Okay, absentees, it's okay. But you're supposed to watch the video. Send in the class group. Recorded video you have to watch, and then you have to be ready for the next class. In fact, you cannot give any excuses.
Ma'am, I didn't get the recorded video.
Okay, after getting it, learn it. Okay, Algan. So write down the words, children. First word, considerate. Considerate. Write down the spelling of the word, considerate. All of you. Angelo, sit in front of the camera. Sahil. Is your name Sahal or Sahil? Sahil. And you have written here Sahil. Rough book. Rough book. Write it in the rough book. First word, considerate.
Ma'am, I can come.
Yes.
Rough book.
See, children, when you come for the class, you have to be ready with all your books. Okay. In between, you can't go anywhere else. Hereafter, I will not allow.
What
Second word, court gesture. Write down.
First
Court gesture. First word, considerate. Considerate. Second word, court gesture.
Ma'am, second word.
Court gesture.
First word.
Considerate. Court gesture.
Third word.
Be quiet.
Third word.
In between, don't keep asking. Okay. The third word, explorer. Explorer. Explorer.
Present. Ma'am.
Explorer.
Ma'am. Second word. Ma'am, Egraj is present.
Okay, Garaj.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
What do you want, Egraj? What do you want? Huh?
Ma'am, I cannot on the video. I have network issue.
Okay, okay. Okay.
What is the fourth one?
First word, considerate. Second word, court gesture. Third word, explorer. Fourth word, disappeared. disappeared, disappeared, disappeared. And the last word, hesitation, hesitation, hesitation. Okay, I'll repeat the words once again. First word, considerate. Just check whether you have written the correct spelling. Yes. Thank you, Nia. Yes, Niranjan. Good. Once you complete, just give me a thumbs up. Considerate. Yes. Second word, court jester. Third word, explorer. Yes. Fourth word, disappeared. Disappeared. And the last word, the fifth word, hesitation. Hesitation. Okay, all right. So I hope all of you have completed. Now it's your turn one by one to give me the spellings. Okay. So let's check whether the words written by you is correct or not. First, Noel, give me the spelling of the first word. Where are you, Noel? Noel. Yes. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the spelling of considerate?
CONSIDE.
Hmm. Hmm.
ERATE.
Very good. CONSIDERATE. CONSIDERATE. Look at your paper and write down. If it is correct, put a tick mark and on the left hand side, give 1 mark for it. Considerate. CONSIDERATE. Okay. And children, remember, you're not KG kids, you are in 5th standard. So when I ask you the spelling of a particular word, you have to say it fast. Okay. Next chance goes to Nainika. Nainika, which is the second word that I gave you? Unmute.
Court jester.
Yes, court jester. What's the spelling?
COURTJESTER.
Once again.
COURTJESTER.
Yes, perfect. COURTJESTER. Court jester. It is correct. Put a tick mark and give 1 mark on the left side. COURTJESTER. Even if a single letter is missing, you have to put it wrong. Okay. No adjustments while doing the correction. Next word, Angelo. Unmute.
Ma'am, explorer.
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 Very good. EXPLORER. 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 If you have interchanged any alphabet or if any letter is missing, then you have to put it wrong. All right. Fourth one, Ethan. Unmute. Ethan, unmute. What is the fourth spelling? Fourth word. Which is the fourth word?
Disappeared.
Disappeared. What is the spelling of disappeared?
DISAPPEARED.
Wow. Superb. DISAPPEARED. 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 Well done, Ethan. Next, Asin, the last word. Which is the last word? Yes, unmute.
Hesitation.
Hesitation.
IT.
Once again, I did not hear you properly.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Asin, can you hear me? Asin? No, Asin is not able to hear. Okay. Tonio? Tonio, are you there? No response. Shabari? Shabari Krishna? Unmute. Shabari, unmute. Which is the fifth word?
Precipitation.
Which one? Which is the fifth word? I can't hear Shabari. Leon. Where is Leon?
Antonio.
Leon. I'm going to remove all the ones whose videos are off. I'm going to remove right now. Only Egraj informed me that he has got a network problem. All others will be removed from my class.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Antonio.
Hmm.
Ma'am, Antonio.
Tonio, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear.
Okay, give me the last word.
Hesitation.
Yes, hesitation. What is the spelling?
H-E-S-T-S-I-T
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
A-T-I-O-N.
Okay, why are you so slow, Tonio? Any confusion regarding the spelling?
No, ma'am.
Say it quickly. Hesitation. 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 Okay, so check the spellings, children, and give marks accordingly. And total is out of 5. Calculate your marks. Yes, Mabel.
And please,
Yes,
show
yes,
the
I'll share the board. Yes. So those who have completed, just show me a book. Let me see how many marks you have scored. So you have to learn the spellings thoroughly. Okay? You should not skip that. Whenever I give you homework, make sure that you do it properly on time. Yes, Alvina? Okay. Explorer, that word went wrong. Rest all are correct. Okay, good. Akshay, where is your book? Shabari, show me your book. Rudu, Len, Anushankar, Hamlin Maria, Faris, show me your books, all of you. Yes, Len got full marks. Very good. Noel and Nia, whose book is this? Both of you wrote? Huh? Together? Krishnesh, what is your score? Okay, 4 out of 5. Abhinav? Okay, Ananta Krishnan, full marks. Ethan, 5 out of 5. Where is Payal? Yes, 5 out of 5. Mibel, 4. Niranjan, 5. Hasib, 4. Shabari, how much for you? Alona? Okay, Anai. Okay, Anai, some of the words went wrong. You have to write and learn. Okay. Delna. Okay, Delna. Write and learn the spellings. Nainika. Okay, one word went wrong. Okay, okay, all right. So, children, if your words are wrong, just write and learn it 5 times. Okay. All right. Now, we will have a discussion about the previous portion. That is, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Keep your books closed, all of you. Keep your books closed. Yes, Faris? I can't see your paper clearly. How much you got? 4? 3 or 4?
5.
5, full marks. Okay. All right. Aiden Joseph, first question is to you. Unmute. Who was Accio? Who was Accio?
Accio was the court jester. Accio was a court jester.
Accio was a court jester. Alvina, can you elaborate that answer? Who was Accio?
Accio was a court jester. He was witty and considerate.
Yes. Accio was a court jester. He was witty and considerate. Payal, can you elaborate it a little more?
He was witty, self-confident, considerate, and was loved by the king.
Yes, very good. Accio was a witty court jester. He was considerate, self-confident, and one of the favorite members of the king in the court. Everyone loved and respected him. Okay, next question is to Alona. Alona, unmute. What was the question asked by the man in order to test Accio? Alona? Huh? Alona, unmute. No response. Anandakrishnan? What was the question asked by the man in order to test Accio? Unmute. Anandakrishnan, don't just play with me. Okay, I have allowed to unmute, but you are muting in between. Len, give me the answer. What was the question asked by the man to test Accio?
And so
Question. What was the question? I need the question only. Nainika?
The man said, I was sleeping with my mouth open last night,
Hmm.
and a mouse entered my mouth and disappeared. What should I do?
Yes, very good. The man asked a question to Accio in order to test him. He told Accio that the last night he slept with his mouth open and a rat entered into his mouth and disappeared into his stomach. What is he supposed to do? Very good, Nainika. Very good. Rutu, what was the reply given by Accio?
ma'am, reply. Take a cat and swallow it alive.
Accio replied, the man, my dear friend, the only thing that you can do is bring a cat and swallow it alive. All right. Next question is to Hazib. Hazib, I know that you don't have the text, but let me see whether you remember or not. Unmute, Hazib. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many explorers came to meet the king?
Ma'am, 3.
Give me the answer in full sentence.
Ma'am, 3 explorers came to the palace.
Yes, 3 explorers came to meet the king. Okay. Next question is to Noel. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The question to you is, what did Accio notice when he was enjoying a feast with his friend? What did Accio notice when he was enjoying a feast with his friend? What is the answer, Noel?
Ma'am, can you see the question?
Can't you
Ma'am,
hear
can
me?
you see the question again?
What did Accio
No,
notice when he was enjoying feast with his friend?
Ma'am, can I?
Noel, do you know the answer?
He noticed the 3 explorers.
While enjoying the feast.
No, ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Akshay, what is the answer?
What is the question?
What is the question? When I asked the answer, you're asking me for the question. What did Accio notice when he was enjoying the feast with his friend? Who is ready to give me the answer? Yes, Anay. Anay Harish. Anay, unmute. Anay, unmute.
Accio noticed that a fat man eating a lot of chocolate and taking some away in his pocket.
Very good. Accio spotted a fat man eating a lot of sweets and taking away some in his pocket. Very good. Next, Asin Rose. What did Accio do then? Asin, I can't hear you. No way to hear. Who will give me the answer? Ethan?
Ma'am, Akio poured a jug of coffee into the man's pocket.
Very good, very good. Accio poured a jug of coffee into the man's pocket. Okay. Binnu, can you tell me how did the man respond when Accio poured a jug of coffee?
The man was angry.
Hmm.
The man was angry and
Hmm.
Akio was
I want the response of the man. How did the man react when Accio poured a jug of coffee into his pocket?
the man was angry.
Alvina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The man was angry and said, "How dare you pour coffee into my pocket?"
Yes, the man yelled at Accio angrily. The man shouted at Accio angrily and he asked, "How dare you pour a jug of coffee into my pocket?" Nia, how did Accio respond when man shouted at him angrily?
My dear friend, you ate so many sweets and you put it some away to his pocket. So I thought it might be thirsty. That's why I pour coffee in your pocket.
Yes, Accio replied calmly, "My dear friend, since you have eaten a lot of sweets, I thought your pocket might be thirsty. That's why I pour a jug of coffee into your pocket." All right. Saira Salim, are you sitting and playing there? Saira? Okay, unmute. The question is to you now. What was the first question asked by the first explorer? What was the question asked by the first explorer? Give me the answer quickly.
Ma'am,
Saira is not sure of the answer. Payal?
the first explorer asked Akio that where is the center of the earth?
Yes, very good, Payal. The first explorer asked the question, where is the center of the earth? Okay, Leonardo, what was the answer given by Accio to the explorer's question? Leonardo, unmute. Accio? What was the answer given by Accio? Accio replied,
The donkeys, right?
Tell me. Accio replied by pointing his stick towards the donkey. He said that the center of the earth lies near donkey's right leg. The center of the earth lies near donkey's right leg. Okay, all right. So that is where we stopped in the last class. Now open your textbook, page number 25. Let's continue with the story. Okay, the last paragraph. So we find that 3 explorers came to meet the king and they asked 3 questions that nobody was able to answer. But the king was confident in Accio's wisdom and wit. So he called or requested Accio to come to the palace. He came by riding on the back of a donkey along with a stick in his hand. And the first explorer asked, "Where is the center of the earth?" And Accio pointed his stick at his donkey and said that the center of the earth lies near the donkey's right leg. So let's continue. The explorer became confused and he did not know what to answer. So he remained quiet. Accio then requested the second explorer to ask his question. The second explorer asked, "Accio, how many stars are there in the sky?" Underline the second question asked by the second explorer. How many stars are there in the sky? Will you be able to give me the answer, children? Just unmute. Will you be able to give me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
How much hair is on its donkey?
Yes. Nobody will be able to answer for the question asked by second explorer. It's not possible to count the number of stars. Infinite number of stars are there in the sky. No human beings will be able to count the number of the stars. So that is a stupid question asked by the explorer. So he asked Accio, can you just tell me how many stars are there in the sky? That is an easy question. Look at the response given by Accio. Accio says that it is an easy question. Accio immediately replied, it is the same as the number of hairs on my donkey's body. No more, no less. So perfect answer, isn't it? When explorer asked how many stars are there in the sky, and Accio said, it is equal to the number of hairs on my donkey's body. The explorer asked, how could he prove it? Accio said, if you think my answer is wrong, why don't you count the hairs on my donkey? Then match it with the number of stars and prove me wrong. Okay, so children, just tell me, is it possible for a person to count the number of hairs on a donkey's body? Is it possible? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. Yes, yes. All of you are showing different actions. I liked it. It is not possible. So, explorer has asked a similar question and Accio gave the same answer, the same way that explorer asked. Okay, he asked explorer to come and count the hairs on his donkey's body. The explorer was puzzled. What do you mean by puzzled? Puzzled means? Who will give me the meaning of puzzle? Puzzled means confused.
Confused.
Yes. Puzzled. Puzzled means confused, perplexed. So the explorer became confused and he also became quiet. Now Accio requested the third explorer to ask his question. The third explorer had a long white beard. He asked, Accio, can you count the number of hairs in my beard? What do you mean by beard? Children, what is a beard? Yes, all of you are showing actions. Very good, very good. Beard, beard refers to the hair that grow on the face of a man. Okay, beard refers to the hair that grows on the cheek or face of a grown-up man. And what is a mustache? What is a mustache? Yes. Mustache. Mustache refers to the hair that grow on the upper lips of a man. Okay, so is that clear? Beard and mustache. So the third explorer had a long white beard. And he is asking Accio, can you count the number of hairs on my beard? Is it possible to count? Is it possible? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. What about our hair? Can we count the number of hairs on our head? No, not possible. Very good. So this is also another stupid question asked by the third explorer. So Accio said, I repeat, it is the same as the number of hairs on my donkey's body. The explorer decided not to question Accio any further. See, children, if you ask some stupid questions, you will get only stupid answers. Correct? Am I right? Yes. Yes, absolutely correct. If you ask stupid questions, then we will get stupid answers. If you ask sensible questions, then we will get sensible answers. So these three explorers asked only stupid questions. That is why people were not able to answer. But Accio responded it in a witty manner. At the same time, he made the explorers understand that their questions were stupid. Did you get me? Did you understand the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Accio was witty in his response, but at the same time, he made the explorers understand that their questions were completely stupid. So the explorer decided not to question Accio any further. Finally, the three explorers left the country. All the three became ashamed. They were not able to speak anything. They remained quiet and they left the country very soon. The king was very pleased with Accio's witty responses. What do you mean by pleased? Pleased.
It means thankful.
Peace means happy. Yes, king became happy. King was satisfied with Achio's responses, witty responses, clever responses. Witty means clever. He appointed him as one of the chief ministers of the court. So look at that. Achio got promotion. Achio was just a court jester. His aim or his goal was to entertain or amuse the people of the royal family. But then, after answering to the question of the three explorers, Achio got promotion. He was appointed as one of the chief ministers of the king's court.
Ma'am, this is like Tenali Raman story.
Yes.
Everything is there.
Yes. Almost a kind of. Okay, so this is how. So remember, you should not ask questions to tease or make fun of others. All right? Okay, so is the story clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So read the story from the beginning to the end 3 times. Okay? I will be sending the homework questions to you and also the notes. Okay? The notes. Copy the notes neatly into your paper, the sheets given from the school. Okay? Any doubts, children?
No, ma'am, this was a nice story.
Okay, I hope you all enjoyed it.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, children.